Pharma Flash, a quick look at this week's most read news stories.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Pharma Flash. The Pharma Flash is a weekly rundown of the top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. I'm Mike Auerbach. I'm the editor-in-chief of both publications, and I'll be counting down the top 5 most read news articles. In at number 5, Endo International announced that its Par Sterile Products business has begun shipping bivalirudin injection in a ready-to-use, single-use vial. It is the only ready-to-use liquid format of the product on the market in the United States. The product is an anticoagulant, a thrombin inhibitor that helps prevent the formation of blood clots. It is used to prevent blood clots in people with severe chest pain or other conditions who are undergoing an angioplasty procedure. At number 4, Biosynth, a supplier of raw materials to the life science industry, has acquired Celares, a developer and manufacturer of conjugate vaccines, bioconjugate drugs, activated PEGs, and polymer-based drug delivery excipients. The acquisition will strengthen Biosynth's exposure to the fast-growing conjugate vaccines and bioconjugate drugs market, expand its capabilities, and enable the company to offer the bioconjugation of antibodies, antigens, and peptides to its existing pharma and diagnostics customers. At number 3, the FDA approved Beyfortus for the prevention of respiratory syncytial virus, RSV, lower respiratory tract disease in neonates and infants born during or entering their first RSV season, and in children up to 24 months of age who remain vulnerable to severe RSV disease through their second RSV season. Beyfortus is a monoclonal antibody with activity against RSV. Beyfortus was jointly developed by Sanofi and AstraZeneca. At number 2, DTX Pharma, a preclinical stage biotech company addressing the delivery challenges of oligonucleotide therapeutics with its fatty acid ligand conjugated oligonucleotide, or FALCON, platform, has been acquired by Novartis. DTX Pharma's lead program is currently in preclinical development with FDA orphan drug designation for the treatment of Charcot-Marie tooth disease type 1A. This disease is a progressive neuromuscular autosomal dominant disease that can lead to lifelong loss of muscle function and disability. Under the terms of the agreement, Novartis will make an upfront payment of $500 million and additional payments of up to $500 million upon completion of pre-specified milestones. And our top most read news article: Dr. Reddy's proposed biosimilar application for rituximab has been accepted by the FDA, EMA, and MHRA. DRL-R1 is being developed as a biosimilar of rituximab therapy, a cluster of differentiation 20 directed cytolytic antibiotic. Rituximab/Mabthera is approved for various indications, including for the treatment of adult patients with rheumatoid arthritis, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, chronic lymphocytic leukemia, pemphigus vulgaris, granulomatosis with polyangiitis, and microscopic polyangiitis. The submission of its dossier in April 2023 was based on a comprehensive data package that demonstrated similarity in pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, safety, efficacy, and immunogenicity with the US and EU reference products. So there it is, the top 5 most read news articles on American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing's websites. We hope you enjoyed this quick rundown of the top 5 most read news stories. Please tune in next week for our next Pharma Flash.
For the latest news, articles, and multimedia on the global pharmaceutical industry, visit American Pharmaceutical Review and Pharmaceutical Outsourcing and sign up for our e-newsletters.